Welcome you all in the class of machine drawing for the BTech third semester students and for the second semester students of engineering drawing 2 of diploma. So today we are going to draw a square thread. Okay. So for the square thread specifications are in terms of pitch. So we will assume that any suitable value for the pitch. So here we are taking the pitch value as 40 mm. Okay, so you have to take, so you can take any other values also. Okay, but here we are taking 40. You can take 50, 30, etc. Okay, so let us take it as 40 mm. So next calculation you have to do for the thickness of the thread. It is represented by capital T. So it is equal to 0.5 p, where p is the pitch value. So that we have taken as 40 mm. So 0.5 into 40, it gives us 20 mm. Okay. So next calculation we have to do for the depth, that is represented by small d. Okay. So depth d equals to t, that is thickness, and it is equal to 0.5 p. So it is 0.5 into 40, that is 20. So in case of square thread, the pitch is equal to, sorry, the thickness is equal to 0.5 p and the depth is equal to also equal to 0.5 t. So d, small d is equals to t. Okay, so depth is equal to thickness of the teeth. As far as uses of the square thread is concerned, so we can see that its use are in screw jack. We all know about the screw jack. It is used to lift the vehicles in automobiles. We use it. Okay, so screw jack in various type of vices, lead screw of the lathe machine. Okay, so these are the uses of the square thread. So now we will draw a. So first of all, draw a straight line and length is equal to 3 times of the pitch. So as we have taken pitch as 40 mm, so we will draw a 120 mm line. Okay, so draw a 120 mm line first. So with the help of scale, draw a line and length is 120 mm. Now after drawing the 120 mm long line, so mark the divided into equal number of parts by taking each division as 40 mm. So first mark we will take at 40 mm, then 8, then 12. Okay, so now we have divided it into 3 equal part and each part is equal to. Now we will mark the height of the thread. Okay, so height of the thread is this one, 20 mm. Okay, so take the 20 mm height with the scale. Okay, so 20 mm we have marked. Again from this side at the other end also take the distance height of 20. And now we will join these two ends with very light line first. Okay, so this is a rectangular block formed. Now draw the verticals from the point we have marked at a 40 mm distances. Okay, so this is the first line and this is the second line. Now divide this line further into number equal parts by taking distances as 20 mm. Okay, so first mark is over here, then second is here, and third is here. Okay, so now draw the verticals from these lines. So this is first vertical, now this is another vertical, and these are the last vertical. Okay, so now we will start darken the portion after leaving the first one. Okay, we will start from here. So make this dark. Okay, again this portion, then this portion, then again this one, then this one, then the upper edge. Okay, then again this one and this one. Okay, so we will keep this line as light. Okay, so after making this, so these are the cut portion, so just extend this portion over here by freehand and match this. Okay, like this. So this portion also we have to keep it light. Okay, so when you draw it light. सो ये लाइन आपको दिखे, सो इसलिए मैंने इसको डार्क बनाया था. ओके, सो ये अब हमने इसको लाइट कर लेना है. ठीक है. So in the case of the square thread, the angle is 90 degree. So this angle is 90 degree, and this portion, so you need to dimension it also. So this portion is the T portion that we have calculated. Okay, that is 0.5 T. This is the T, and this is the depth. Okay, so this is the depth of the thread, this one. So this is equal to small d, and this is also small d is equal to capital T, and it is equal to 20 mm, 0.5 p. Okay, that we have calculated. Okay, so these are the dimensions that you have to give, and after this we have to do the hatching. Okay, so with the help of scale drafter you can do the hatching. So continue the hatching. So in this way you have to complete for the whole profile. Okay, so this is the screw thread drawing that we have completed. Hope you all understood the process to draw the square thread. Okay.